Got some eggs going on the Weber cube. This flat griddle makes this thing so useful. Good. Just finished cooking up some bacon and potatoes on here. Loving the flat griddle. Perfectly seasoned.
So I walked over 2,000 steps.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. It was almost a mile.
Look at they're waiting for food. They're like, can I get some there? Perfect for cooking bacon. A little bit more time. Close it up. Really enjoying this flat griddle. Cook some potatoes, hash brown potato patties over here later on. Or I cook them right here.